guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aska of Limitless Mom. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make your braids look refreshed even when they look old, so that you can get as much life and useful life from them as possible. So first things first, you have to make sure that your scalp is clean. Make sure your scalp is oiled and clean. You can wash your hair with your braids on, or you can use a dry shampoo. I use in place of dry shampoo, I normally use baking soda. I'll show you in a future video on how to clean your scalp with baking soda. So guys, once your scalp is clean and dry, what you need to do is to use leave-in conditioner. This is what I use, Cream of Nature Strength Shine Leave-in Conditioner. This is what I normally use to refresh my braids underneath the oils and the mousse that I'm going to show you. And at the moment I'm not going to use this because I have I'm doing a routine for rice water to grow my back my edges. You know, I've been breastfeeding, so when you're breastfeeding your hair, you lose hair, but I've been lucky. I've not been able to lose so much. I mean, I've not lost so much hair. I've just lost a few on the edges because of course of plating. So right now I'm doing rice water. I'll show you how I do in another video, how I prepare the rice water and show you the results. But this is the rice water I put in this bottle, and then I spray onto my scalp like so, all the way around and on the edges. And there's some growth that I've seen so far. It's like 3 weeks now. I've seen some growth on the edges, so I'm really happy about the results. But for now, this is what I'm going to use. I spray on my scalp. The next thing to do is to oil your scalp. I normally use olive oil, either this or the other one, but this is more affordable, Allison's. And then I also use castor oil or almond oil. Right now I don't have any, I only have castor oil and olive oil. I don't do the hair foods because it gets itchy onto my scalp, so I prefer doing these natural oils because they are less greasy. And then I add tea tree oil to the oils that I normally put on my head. So I got this thing for lubricating the cherry honey. It's called general purpose lubricant, but I didn't buy the lubricant. I got this from a fundi who normally does, fundis, the tailors that normally do clothes. I borrowed this from her so that I can use it. So what I do, I open it up, I put olive oil inside, a significant amount, and then I put like 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil inside. This tea tree oil is very helpful for an itchy scalp. So if you know you have an itchy scalp or a scalp that is prone to psoriasis, you can use this. You can add that to your oil. And then what I do, I just oil like this. It's easier to manage and it's a cheaper hack. Next thing I will do is use this mousse. This is that foam looking thing that people normally show you in tutorials, especially the ones for Maju. They normally have after doing braids, they spray you with some foam on your hair and then they wrap you up with kitamba. So what I'm going to do right now is spray that foam onto these braids, and then I am going to use Gorilla Snot gel on my edges, and then I tie it up with a kitamba. Then I come show you the results. So my scalp is clean, my braids are clean. I am going to just do a normal one strand braid like that. Guys, here I am. I've just unwrapped the kitamba. So guys, here I am. I've just unwrapped this, and this is how it looks. I don't know if you can be able to see. It looks quite neat and hydrated. So that's a trick. Now the products that I used and where I got them from, This Gorilla Snot gel, I've been using this for a very long time, since my campus days. First time I bought it from Amazon, but this time around I saw it in a beauty shop in town. It's on Sasa Mall, first floor I think, or mezzanine floor of the Sasa Mall. So I got it for, I think, 1400 shillings. This thing stays for a very long time. No, actually it's not 1400, it was 1800. But I talked to that guy, the Somali guy. He sold it to me for 1600 shillings. So I bought it for 1600 here in Kenya, in Nairobi, at Sasa Mall. I don't remember the shop, sorry. I'll go check and then I'll inform you later in my Instagram stories. Now this mousse that I use is called Lotta Body with coconut and shea oil wrap me foaming mousse. You can use one for sheer moisture. I saw there's another one for sheer moisture, but so far so good. I've not used that one, but I love this Lotta Body one. I got it from Super Cosmetics a very long time ago. I don't know if they're still there, but they were trying to see if people are going to accept it in the market, and I had already known about it before. And when I saw them, I got a pack of 2. It also came with a gel of its own, so I was trying the gel out, but I know how this one works perfectly. So guys, if you're doing a pony and you'd like to get that appearance of waves on your pony, this is a perfect product to use, because what you're going to do is, after applying gel, you use this wrap me foaming mousse. It gives you that wavy kind of vibe, and then now you wrap your kitamba on your head, your silk wrap kitamba on your head. So, oh, and the tea tree oil, I got it from Westlands, a chemist in Westlands, in this building called Bandari Plaza. I think it's Bandari Plaza, the one that houses NHIF. The road there is called Woodville Grove, if I'm not wrong. So there's a chemist in there inside kabisa. When you enter on ground floor, they sell such and skincare products as well as drugs. So I got it for 400 shillings there, way back. Right now you see where it's reached. I don't know if you can see where it's reached. This oil has really served me. It gives me so many, purposes. It gives me a lot of uses to use it for. I normally make bath bombs. I don't know if you know bath bombs, the ones that you normally make with cornstarch, and then you mix it with an essential oil, and then you throw it in your bathtub, or you throw it in your at the bottom of your shower, where just directly under the shower head where the water hits. And then when the water hits that shower bomb, it's going to make it melt. So when it melts, it gives you that nice steamy tea tree oil smelling steamy kind of vibe, where you feel like you're in a sauna, or gives you that relieving feel when you're breathing in, especially for your respiratory system and when you have a cold. So I'll also do a review of that very soon. It's just that I'm not able to get cornstarch at the moment. They're out of stock around. I think it's this COVID-19 thing, but I'll show you how to make bath bombs that you can be able to to do when you want to treat yourself to something nice, or you want to feel different when you're in the shower. So that's it. Also, watch out for a review for the rice water and its effect on my hair. I'll show you the results, and I've already taken the before and the after. I've already taken the before video, so let's wait for the after, then we see how things go. So I think that's it, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's going to help you a lot, especially if you do braids a lot or you do crochet a lot. This helps you a lot with your edges and how to refresh the crochet as well, because it's the same kind of synthetic fiber that is being used. So I'll see you in my next vlog, and thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on anything you'd like me to expound more on the description box below.